Good morning, everyone. It's like 10 right now.
What the dog doing?
I either want to go eat or go back to sleep. I'm picking my outfit now, but just now I went down, ate some breakfast. I ate an egg that was like half boiled and some mango. That was it. That was all. That yap session. Last week, which was like my off filming week, I started my draping class, which is now on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So that's what we'll be doing today. Ooh, the day after tomorrow and the day after that. And then my Mandarin tuition also starts tomorrow, and that's on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And I also started a part-time job, which will also be on Tuesdays and Thursdays, as the place that I'm going to be working will be at the same place where my Mandarin tuition is. So that's nice. Yeah. And now I have to decide what to wear. I'm sick and tired of this. This is the fit. Oh, that's depressing. It's okay. I'll make up for it, I swear, guys. It's been so long since I've worn long pants. Because, like, now my go-to outfit is just an oversized shirt and, like, shorts or a skirt. It's bad, but, like, I mean, it's not that bad. It's just a bit odd. There. I'll put on my cinch clips so that looks better.
What the dog doing?
How do you open this? Oh! Stupid. Wait, did I break it?
No.
Oh!
I have undressed my bodice. They took so long to take the pictures. I love my eye makeup today. Also, I plan on cutting my nails. I'm gonna take off the green. Mainly because my guitar, it's interfering, so I'm just gonna chop them down a bit. So I'm going to peel the gel off. Okay, some people might still consider this long, but it's shorter than I normally have it, so yes. Now I am going to go shower and see you later. to record the first part, but I have my mushrooms hydrating, and I have my shrimp still thawing, and I have carrots that I just chopped up, some red bell pepper, and now I'm chopping the green bell pepper. I don't cook that often, but I have had some experience cooking, so it's not that bad. What should I add to this? My prawns thawed. Basically, I have this one that I have peeled and taken their intestines out of. I have 2 more left, I think. Yep, 2 more. So I put in some cornstarch, flour, pepper, and oil to make the like flurry batter, whatever you call it. And that's gonna sink for about 15 minutes, and then I will cook them. My food station. Getting up the pan and waiting for that to marinate.
Liêu. Liêu vậy.
Leo. Good morning. Clocked out! This is my gorgeous, beautiful aunt.
Not so gorgeous.
Oh yeah?
What the dog doing?
Like the texture.
Kerja
It's like 8. I've been awake since like 6, but I kept on going back to sleep. I do not want to wake up, but here I am. So today I have my art tuition, my sewing tuition. I need to feed my sourdough starter. I also want to make some pancakes this morning. So, oh yeah, and I also have a vocal class. So, a busy day. So sleepy. Hello people. I forgot to record everything, but basically I had my vocal class in the morning, and then after that I headed straight to my art class, and then I went to my fashion class, but then I realized, oh shoot, when I actually went, like when I reached, I realized that today was our off day, like our teachers basically were having a meeting, so that's something, right? So then I'm now back home and I am cooking the salmon that I bought yesterday.
What the dog doing?
I forgot to record my cooking this time, but this came out of the air fryer without the sauce. So the salmon there, and then yeah, I added the sauce after heating it up. And before that, in the pan, the same pan, I cooked the veggies, and it was basically just basic oyster sauce, soy sauce, and water and the veggie. And then I also added the salmon marination mixture for this. So yes. I forgot to record, but I wanted to try making the cucumber kimchi. The issue is that I don't have sesame oil or wine, like rice wine, so I'm improving. I saw videos on the camera. I was like, oh my god, we can't be bad at this. I'm not keep watching wonders. I know it, I know it, I know also but like, I'm just ooh, you're my soda pop, I'm my soda pop. Wow, the things I do for fun. Cheers! Oh, that looks like beer. I'm not an alcoholic, guys. Pocket green tea. Nice salmon. Ooh. Whoa! The salmon's so soft. I'm not gonna be your mother. No! Get a different mother. What happened to the other mother?
She
I found you!
Dog doing?
Okay.
And plus we're matching, so we have to.
No, we are not matching.
I'm black and you're just white. But still, we're still matching.
Go to. Hi, people.
You're not gonna be my. You're not gonna be.
Can you be this child's parent, like legal guardian?
Yeah, just no.
Here we go.
We gonna find a new one or just it's cool.
It is not a healthy time, but I will go to sleep now. It's 2 a.m.